Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Apex Legends. So let's get started right away. Now on your PC, in order to play the Apex Legends game, you will need to use the EA application or your Steam account. If you downloaded the game using the EA app, simply open up the EA app on your device. And now you will be logged in using your EA account. You can find your login information at the top right corner, from which you can click on the drop down menu and you will see the logout option. Go ahead and click on logout, and now you will be logged out from the EA application, which means you will also be logged out from your account on the Apex Legends game. If you wish to log back in, you can simply proceed forward with logging in to your EA account on the EA app or log into your Steam app, and you will once again be logged back in to your Apex Legends game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Apex Legends game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.